Hey y'all. Hello. Good afternoon, guys. Y'all come on in. Good afternoon. I have had some challenging times today, but I'm not going to let that stop me, guys. I tried. Hello, Sandra. Hello, Sylvia. Hello, Lisa. Hey, Gigi. I am good, Gigi. How are you? Hello, Charlene. Hey, Patricia. Hey, Mary. Some of y'all on here I haven't seen in a while, so that may be just in the cards for me to see you, because I tried to make a video. Could not do it. Cut out twice. I first cut my corn off the cob. Video stopped. And so all that was ruined. I couldn't put the corn back on the cob and cut it off again. Thank you for the stars, whoever said. Hey, thank you, Gigi, for the stars. Here, so I had cut the corn off the cob. Well, I couldn't put that back on. So I decided to go from the cut corn being in the skillet. Well, I started from there and there again. The video just would not do, so here I am. Hello. Yes, Patricia, I am frying the corn. Let me let y'all see. It's in the skillet. I hate. Let me get some light over here. That you all didn't see me cut it off. I only had, there's the corn. I only had 5 ears. And I cut it off. I had it a couple of days and I didn't want it to go bad. So I decided to cut it off the cob and fix it with my chicken livers. Well, I wanted y'all to see, but it didn't happen like that. Hello, Darlene, Vanita, Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. Hello, Emma. Georgia, Carolyn. Good afternoon. I thank all y'all for joining me. So let me tell you the second thing. Here are my chicken livers. I had the container right here. Start over a second time with the chicken livers. Had the container, washed the livers, and I punched holes in the liver because somebody on here told me that. Say if you punch holes in chicken livers, it'll keep them from popping so much. So I did all that on the video, season them on the video. No video. So I said, shoot, I'm just going to come on here live and do this. I've already put some down in here that I am fixing to drop in this hot oil. And on the corn, I season my corn only with salt and pepper. It's very sweet, so I did not put any sugar in it. Good evening, Katrina. How are you? Good evening, Ebony. Ebony, I'm breaking up. I'm not surprised. Today has been one of those days. But that's all right. I'm still going to rejoice in this day and be glad in it. Sure am. So, I'm going to see, is this sticking holes in the liver trick going to work? I'm going to see. It's the first one in. Now, if I don't hear no pop, it's popping, but not as much. It's still a few pops, but I will say it's not popping as much. I always say, good morning. Hey, Rodney. Hey, Carolyn. Ebony. Y'all listen. Y'all hear the little pop. It's popping a little bit, but not much. Hey, Barbara. Hey, Homestyle Cooking with Miss Dale. Hey, Gloria. Hey, Johnny. Thank you, Patricia. Right, let me get me a paper towel. Put them on. Y'all, and they are so good. And let y'all see as soon as I drop some more. Let me drop these few and get some more batter. Hey, Kim. Hey, Heather. Let me get y'all over here to see this. Hey, Natalie. Hey, Deborah Saddleson. Let me let y'all see this. Ooh, y'all hear that pop? So that, I would say, hey, Tammy, I would say that trick does work while they are popping. Oh, a piece just hit me on my arm. They are not popping as much. So thank you, whoever told me that. Y'all hear? My top on. Hello, Bonzetta. Deborah Odom. Take these out. And yeah, I don't want anything but some hot sauce on mine. With me some corn. I thought I had a piece of green onion, but I don't. Y'all leave me a comment of what what you all are having for lunch or your supper today. Leave me a comment. I do too, Patricia. And y'all give me some hearts and some thumbs. And guys, caring is sharing, so share the love. That let Facebook know that you want to see more of my videos. Oh, Angela, you fixing chicken gizzards? Now, my grandson loves gizzards. I don't like the gizzards too much, but I love the livers. Oh, they popping. I guess, now that was a big pop. Guess I missed some of them putting the holes in. I think that's enough in there for right now. Good morning, Robin, Renee, Kathy. What did I season with, Kathy? I season them with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a sloppy joe, and homemade fries. You know, Robin, I haven't had a sloppy joe in so long. I am good, Kim. Yes, Deborah, they were some nice-sized chicken livers. And I'm ready to bite down on them, too. I sure am. Ooh. They popping. I guess I didn't put any holes. I didn't put any holes in these. Good afternoon, Anna Marie. Good afternoon, Rosa. Jean, Catherine, Faye, good afternoon. I see a lot of new names on here, guys. Y'all welcome to the channel. I'm not a chef. I'm a home cook. That's been cooking a long time. Good afternoon, Andre. Good afternoon, Myrtle. If this is your first time, I hope it don't be your last. Ooh, that was a big pop there. Let me just taste this. With that fresh corn, I'ma enjoy this. Thank you, Dorothy. Oh, thank you, Polly. But Polly, I just cook what we eat. All the dishes I cook, we eat. Just what we'll be eating anyway. Nothing special. Thank you, Anne-Marie. Oh, big pot. Now, I like mine's done, but what I found with liver, if you fry it too hard and overcook it, it gets real bitter. Good afternoon, Shaquita. So you got a few more pieces in here. Then I'm going to show y'all the livers. And I'm going to be out your way so I can go eat. Just a few more. Last piece. And that's it. Oh, happy birthday, Deborah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, girl, and cheers to many more years. Troy, your birthday was July the 5th. Well, happy belated birthday to you. And cheers to many more years to you. Hey, Pepper. Thank you, Kina. Julie, hello. Carolyn, Robin. So, guys, let me let y'all see these chicken livers, and then I'm going to go eat. There they are. And here's my corn. And I got a few pieces still frying in here. Hey, Rose. And so, guys, I thank y'all, as always, for joining me. You all go on and enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Hot sauce, I got it, Juicy. It's coming. You all go on and enjoy the rest of y'all evening. And y'all keep them hearts and thumbs coming. Caring and sharing, guys. So y'all just share the love. Share the love so we can grow. Thank you, Lisa. And so until I see you again, love, peace, and blessings. Bye-bye.